What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to a brand new restocking video. I just quickly want to start off by saying I am so sorry. If anybody was planning on meeting me during Slime Gonza, I am actually not going to be able to attend the event after all. If you follow me on Instagram or even seen my last video, I actually talked about why I am no longer attending, and that is simply because there was a medical emergency in the family and my grandpa was hospitalized for a couple of days. He is home now, so thank you so much for all your prayers and all of your awesome thoughts and just messages that you've been sending to both me and my aunt, because that was her dad as well. Signs by KitKat. If you want to send her some love on Instagram, you could definitely do that. But yeah, due to that, we had to miss our flight on Wednesday, and so I will no longer be able to attend Slime Gonza. So I am selling the slime in this restock that was supposed to be at Slime Gonza. So if you want to go ahead and get the slime, I am going to be selling it at the Slime Gonza price of $12. Each slime is 8 ounces, so you get a full slime for $12, and you can also use the coupon code MISSYOU for 10% off. If you bought a ticket to see me or my family and was looking forward to meeting us, I am so sorry. I definitely promise you that we were just as excited to meet you all, and we were so excited for the event. The event was very well planned. I really hope that you still support Slime Gonza. There are a lot of really cool VIPs that are attending, and just know that we are going to be looking for another event for the DC area so that we get to see you guys again, because we miss you from last time. Alrighty, let's go ahead and start off with the slime. So we are starting off today with Chanel number 2. As always, this is my baby, my bestseller. She is Bubblicious Bubblegum Scented, a very thick and glossy slime. She is super thick, but still stretchy and just really nice. Super dense and heavy as well. So if you like slimes that you can really play with and that are holdable, this is definitely going to be for you. And if you like slimes that give you great bubble pops, this is also going to be for you. If Chanel is the queen of my shop, then Baja Blast is definitely the king. This is my second bestseller, and it's scented just like Baja Blast soda, so it's like a Mountain Dew lemon lime kind of blue raspberry scent. It's really good, and this is a hybrid texture of an icy slime and a cloud slime kind of mixed together, more like a cloud dough. So it gives you a little bit of drizzle, but it's mostly icy-like. It's super sizzly and amazing, and I just really love it. Next up, we have Mud Mask. This one is my third bestseller. It's scented like green tea lemon, and it is another hybrid slime. It's a hybrid between a butter slime and a cloud cream, so it's very sizzly, smooth, and spreadable. This one is really nice, and if you want to snatch it, you should definitely do it this week, because it's actually going to be the last time that it's going to be stocked for a while. I have a new idea for a slime similar to Mud Mask that I kind of want to try out in the shop, so Mud Mask is going to retire for a little while. We'll see how long, I'm not too sure, but I know y'all are going to love this new slime, and if you want to do a comparison, it's going to be like a new version of Mud Mask, so make sure that you snatch one today so that you can have both versions in your slime collection. Next up, we have Mango Dragon Fruit Refresher, and this slime here was introduced in my shop a long time ago, back when I believe Starbucks first introduced the drink, so it is definitely inspired by the drink. It's scented just like the drink and looks like the drink. It's a little bit more vibrant in color than the last time that I stocked it, which I really love. It is a clear base slime, still super clear, packed with jelly cubes, and it's scented just like mango and dragon fruit. Another returning slime that we have is Lucky Charms Frosting. This one is scented just like Lucky Charms. You can really smell the oat cereal pieces and the marshmallow. It smells really good. This is version 2, however, because the first version actually had some sprinkles in it. Rather, this one here has crushed up cereal clay pieces, so it's pretty cool and a little bit more accurate, I feel like. This one is a really nice butter slime made with wood clay and soft clay from Daiso, and it's really smooth, spreadable, and buttery, and it really inflates a ton as well. Peach Party is a new slime to the shop. It is a DIY clay slime that is scented just like peaches and gummies. It smells really nice like a peach gummy candy. And this one has a cloud cream base, so the slime that's at the bottom of the clay is actually a cloud cream. And there's a bunch of awesome goodies at the bottom as well, like clay sprinkles, clay chunks, and also some glitters as well that kind of represent the peach color family. And I really love this slime because when you mix it together, it turns into a vibrant peach color. Teacake is a new slime to the shop as well. This one I wanted to make for Mother's Day. I just felt this one was very fitting. So it is a thick and glossy slime scented just like tea cakes. And the tea cake scent kind of smells like either a lemon or a strawberry cake to me, and also tea at the same time. So it smells very fruity and sweet, but also kind of mellow and relaxing because of the tea. It smells really nice. This slime inflates a ton. It gets super crunchy, and it's just really nice for bubble pops as well. And the scent is really something that you should definitely pick up this slime for because it smells really good. One of the best scents for sure. Twilight Jelly is definitely one of my favorite slimes from this restock. It is just so beautiful. It is a jelly slime. It's unscented, by the way, just to preserve the clarity, and also because I never really do unscented slimes anymore, so I really wanted to bring one back. It is topped off with those holographic star glitters. It's just so beautiful, and there's also some regular fine holographic glitters throughout as well. This one is a color shifting jelly slime. It goes from a violet to a blue color depending on the lighting, and it's just beautiful. You can totally tell the color change here, and I love it. Banana Gumballs. This is another new slime to the shop. This one is so fun to play with, and it's really nice and holdable because it has two of those large foam beads in it, and it's just really nice. There's also some very small and some larger foam beads in there as well, just to give it some contrast in texture, and it's scented just like banana and bubble gum balls. It smells really, really good, and I love this slime so much. It's definitely a great couch slime. You can play with it on the couch one-handed, and it won't go anywhere on you. Oreo Crispy is back in the shop. You all really seem to like this one, and it's quickly become a fan favorite. So as long as you like it, I'm going to go ahead and keep bringing it back for you all. So this one is another hybrid slime. It is a hybrid texture between a snow fizz and a micro foam slime. So it's super, super crunchy. Really, really nice as well for just texture purposes. So if you want that sensory extra kicked up a notch, then you could definitely get this slime and you will love it. It is scented like Oreos, and the Oreo scent is amazing. It kind of smells like a McFlurry to me, to be honest, like an Oreo McFlurry from McDonald's. Smells really, really good, and also there is some black clay chunks in there to represent crushed up Oreos, as well as some black glitter. And yet again, another slime that is returning to the shop and another fan favorite. This one is Candy Floss. It is a cloud slime, and it is scented just like sugary lollipops and cotton candy. It smells really, really good, and it is topped off with that pink dusting of glitter. And then this time, it's also coming with 2 candy charms instead of just 1. I just wanted to kick it up a notch and see if y'all would really like that. So yeah, it's really nice. I am the worst cloud slime drizzler, so please don't judge this slime on my drizzling abilities. You all know what it is, but yeah, it's just a really nice cloud slime, and that's all I can say. Alrighty, y'all, well, that is pretty much it for this restock video. I really hope that you all enjoyed it and found something that you would like to purchase. In the comment section down below, let me know if you want to see any of these slimes make a return or a comeback, and also let me know if you are going to be sad to see Mud Mask go for a little while. I know I am, but I really have a feeling that y'all are going to like the new version, so I am so excited for that. Thank you all so much for watching. I love you very freaking much, and I will see you all next time. Bye!